All right, I don't know if it works, but this is just a demo one. So I'm gonna wait if. Oh yeah, there you go. It's saying excellent. And let me quickly check if it's live. Let me check my phone real quick. Let me go to YouTube and um there you go. Let me go to live section. No, not this one. The other channel. Give me a sec. Yeah, I can find this channel with just typing OSCP plus 2025. Yeah, first just typing this one, I can find my YouTube channel. Hopefully, yeah, there you go. Staying live. Let me check it. Give me a sec. Let me go to live section. Yeah, it's working good. So we're good to go. So if you're wondering what's going on, if you have seen my YouTube channel, mostly I post about cybersecurity stuff, about my OSCP journey, about different kind of tool that I use, and all those cybersecurity stuff. I'm into this field from almost 4 years, and you can see a lot of my 4-year-old video doing King of the Hill challenge on Try Hike Me. I also used to play Valorant and a lot of games, Palworld, a lot of hacking simulations games is part of just having fun. Valorant and a lot of hack the box machines and Kitty terminal customizations, which I use. This is, I mean, I'm still using up to date. I mean, almost been 2 years, almost yeah 1 years, and I'm still using it. A lot of things, a lot of videos. So if you're wondering why I decided to suddenly make YouTube video on how to make money online challenge 2026, because I've been working on this cybersecurity field from almost 4 years, um, and I'm making a plenty good money actually, being honest. Um, but I think I cannot do this when I turn like 35, 40. So I found something. I mean, the shift to an AI. Everything is being taken over with the AI, and I'm damn sure that whatever we're doing on cybersecurity, is personally me, is gonna replace by AI 100%, because everything it has an automation. It has it has a thinking capacity, a model, a trained data that does 1,000 times better than what humanly possible can do on penetration testing, red teaming, whatever activity, right? So why not to utilize this AI to make the AI product? I saw a lot of videos. I did a lot of research. I was also doing some LLM pen testing, and while doing a lot of R&D, research and development. I found that it could be something like a Bitcoin in 2010, or let me check it. When is Bitcoin released? I think it's 2010. I don't know. Let me see. 29. It's 2009. So at that time, people really, ignored this stuff. It's just being a rumor, and just waste of time. But I think it's same happening with the AI product, and I'm gonna document myself what I did, what wrong I did, everything, the failure, the success. I'm gonna record myself. So I bought a Cloud subscription, and I'm almost running out of limit. So I'm gonna show you what I built. So what I did. So let me open my terminal real quick. Let me go project, and I don't know. I just started a project with I don't know. So here I made uh what's called that. I decided, I randomly decided when I purchased the Cloud A subscriptions. I decided to make a AI project. I asked AI just to fill a gap. What's the people demanding on these days, and what's the gap, and how can I make a profitable product that people really need on 2026? And you can fill that gap. And I mean, I had zero knowledge about this product, what it does, right? But I still made it because for knowledge and everything, there is AI. We don't have to think we We don't need to be a master of anything. So um, it built something called the Cold DM, and while I was running a lot of prompts, I learned how to set up Supabase. I learned how to configure email like a replay. I learned how to do SSO. I learned how to do a Razor Pay payment system, like a payment method, and I learned SSO, and a lot of things I learned when I making things from scratch or with the cloud. And I think there is some specific skills, so we can explore it. So for now, I'm just going to show this. I'm hosting it on Vercel, and I also purchased a domain. So it took me like 3 days to make all this website. And let me know what you think about AI product building this and just 3 days. So not heavy 3 days, just buying to 1 2 hours every day from office. So this is the website that it built or I built. So it's a cold DM anchor. Everything is written. Everything is written by the AI, right? You just have to optimize it again and again and saying. So yeah, there is it, and there is, you can see demo. This is something that I recorded myself. It look pretty cool. Um, so you can make something like similar this product. So I'm still learning it. I will just show you. I mean, how it's like. This is configuration. It's SSO. Everything is enabled. I also disable temp mails, and also as a security perspective, I take care of those rate limits, brute forcing, everything. So it does pretty well. I mean, how it does is I scrapped an API endpoint. So if you just go API console, so what it does is just fetch DMs. Suppose if I just go this, book a partner, pitch about, or maybe get a feedback, uh, feedback, oh, sure, feedback, never mind, feedback about, um, maybe there is a recently used tab. There you go, you can just do it. So this is my tool, blah, blah, blah. I need a feedback. There is no credit card required. You just need a template and just, you need a founder to pitch, it's like a cold DM you do, just standard, and it's gonna scrap this LinkedIn user, go through a few last pages, the background, and give a tailored something. So it's saying Prakash is a senior cybersecurity analyst. Improve across without sounding spammy. I built a cold DM for B to B to solve this. It's free to try. This is a link. Would you like to spend 2 minutes? Blah blah blah. It's look good. I mean, it fills the gap. For a founder, we need a buying customer. So you can just get a LinkedIn URL and just check the background of this person, everything, and just make a crafted something. And you can also use a template. You can copy it. There is a dashboard like who replied, how many have replied got, how many generated, blah blah blah. And you can also export to a CB. And what I did is basically what's called tunneling. So I use this API something that's really really cheap. So to scrap something, let me go to run. What it does is suppose if I just run some for some user, all right. um so it costs like 0.002 cent for one person, depending how much of user posts the post, right? If there is a lot of posts, it might take up to like, I don't know, to like 0.1 dollar. So for the last series, I think it took me a 6 second, and it cost me 0.02 by just describing I mean his last few posts. And that's what I'm doing. Just the only thing I need to pay is on purchasing domain and this API, which is really 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 cheap. And I built this product right with AI just 3 days, and it's a pretty solid tool. And I can make unlimited product, with the AI. You don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a professional entrepreneur. um, and that's what I'm thinking. And you know, you can make a multiple product unless one of them booms. And I think in future, a lot of things is gonna be replaced with the AI. So it's the right time to be on this field. And I want to document myself, creating a lot of products, finding a good way. So we're researching R&D and a lot of things, I got to know about this ad, about this one, monetize or something. It was super hyped. I paid $25, and we can find it on YouTube. This guy is, I don't know. I'm gonna not gonna say him is a scammer, but it was all big talks on the first today. I paid like $25 for the VIP, and what it does is he's basically doing same thing like how to make unlimited money, blah blah blah. And what it does is it gives you access to something called monetize, and which includes let me show you something, synthesis AI. Yeah, it gives you login with this. It's a partnership funding technology of monetize, the same brand that we have here. So what it does is it's automate uh what's called that AI product. So all you have to give a prompt and it will create a finished product for you. That's it. All it does, and it charges, you know how much. Let me show you. I don't know if I can show you the prices. There you go, $3,000. Unlimited credit. I mean, there is no credit limits. You can make unlimited product as you want, but it's $3,000 just for this. And I paid Cloudy, $20 per pro, right? And look at the finished product I have. So I don't want to pay this much, $30. I mean, $3,000 is too much for me, and and you don't have to be dependent on single tool. Right? There is always new things, new tool evolving. But what I learned is you need the right tool to do the right thing, right? So Cloud have a lot of skills these days, and so I'm gonna document myself from today on this. I make a profitable AI business or AI product because that's the new safe, just like a Bitcoin in 2009, right? So it's something that's gonna boom, AI product. So it's like a solo one founder. You can make unlimited product you want. You have everything ready. You don't even need to do anything. Everything will be database hosting. Everything is done by the AI. You don't even have to think an idea. You just you can ask AI to fill a gap, and it will make a finished product for you. So what I'm gonna do is this is something that took me 3 days, right? This whole thing took me 3 days. And while I'm researching, I got to know about this awesome another AI, which is pretty cool. Let me show you this one. What's called that? What's the name? RAM, something like new. It's is a new. It start with new. I forgot the name, but there is also bold new. I compared few of the websites. So this is my name, Prakash. And if you wonder, cybersecurity people don't disclose their information much, but yeah, I'm revealing it because you already know the cold DM. There is my detailed informations and everything. Yeah, my name is Prakash. And yeah, there is this bolded new, which pretty much does the same. But I did my personal research and used both of them. And if you're watching this, I already did R&D, research and development, trial and error, and I found this one. Let me go to an history if I have that new. What's this called? Yeah, there you go. So it's called Rocket. Rocket the new. It's a awesome. So it's just for a demo. It's a free, right? It's a free. You get a free like 20 or something. I told him just to make an auto books e-seller. All I said is make an auto book e-seller. That's all the prompt I had. And yeah, this is the prompt I gave. It automatically did everything. I didn't even have to do anything, right? And it made this pretty awesome, damn cool website. And it set up everything automatically, the super, the SSO. And it does this all stuff in less than like a 2 minute. And it took me 3 days to make this. And you can do it with this one, right? And there is also like I made one more AI just to test, and he told I mean like he gave me a demo. Let me talk in speed quick, really quick. So may put this uh email and password. Signing in, maybe I don't know. It's yeah, there you go. So it just create an ebook for you with an AI, and I just give a prompt that just have to give the title, and it will create an ebook. That's the all prompt I gave, and he asked me a few questions, optimizations, blah blah blah, click 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 click. In less than 3 minutes, you have a ready finished product. And the cool thing about it is, if you go just, I'm not advertising or something, I'm just exploring. Even I don't have money for this one, so yeah. So if you go to connectors, you can connect with all of these like super for database that I had to do manually on our cloud code, right? So I had to do everything. Though it gave me steps on a text, but I have to manually copy, debug everything. A lot of things. It took me time. And if for hosting, for Cloud A, I use a virtual, but I think it has pretty much same for the Netlify, which is awesome alternative for virtual free hosting. Google for API integrations, SSO, GitHub for CI/CD pipeline, Razorpay, everything you need is here. I don't know about the email stuff, but it's pretty easy. I don't know which one is this. For that one, that for this Cloudy suggested me something called Replay or something that automatically send you email if it's required, right? So all you, okay, I mean, also show you the subscriptions. It only need you $25. That's almost same as the Cloudy, but this AI is dedicated for creating a multiple product, right? So why I will pay the same stuff for this one, which is almost like $3,000, just if I can do it for $25, right? And it's pretty awesome. But there's something called $250, which is completely cheap. So you don't have to upgrade to this one. You can stick on 25 and make multiple products, unless one of them booms and make you a lot of money, and you can probably upgrade to this one, right? So what you need is this rocket and a domain. Probably you need to buy, which probably should not cost more than like a $5 or something. So in $30, you'll have something like, let me show you. You'll have something like this one, like this, more far better than this one, because this I manually built it, not manually, obviously, like 3 days of, which is comparatively, technically when you see this one, it should take more than like 3 months, back in 2023 or something. But with just AI, it took me 3 days to make this one all backend and everything. But with this one, you can make it 2 minutes. So you can make like 10 products. In a week, and you can mass sell it. So why not? There is a high chance that you will hit a success with the 10 products than just making a one. And that's something that you do in 2026. All you need to do is this one, and you'll have unlimited money. If one, okay, so this is something that I felt, but after building my first product, I feel a gap. The gap is, where do I push this? How do I find a customer? I'm not good at marketing. My background is cybersecurity. I come from a technical background, but I have zero idea about, um, selling the product or where to publish it. This is something. It's a B2B, so I don't probably cannot sell it. But I need some marketing strategies. So I asked AI also for that, and he told me to eat your own dog, bro. He's basically saying that just use the cold DM for the cold DM. You just tailor a custom message to, hey, we want to try this new product. So I'm still lacking with finding a right audience or way to sell it, right? So the 80% is done. You know how to make product like this one in less than 2 minutes. You don't even have to do anything. Just one-time configurations on this one. Go to there. We'll go to, there is something called intelligence which costs you more. I don't know what it does. It has like filling a gap or something, but you can do it. So what it does is, You can use some other model for intelligence. It's basically track computer and gain market intelligence. Blah blah blah. So I don't think it's really needed for starting up. It should not be a big issue for you. Um, so I think it's a good tool that I'm gonna use. All you have to do is there is a lot of environmental variables you have to set it. I mean, I did it manually. Well, I was configuring with a cloud code, and I have to go and browser do everything, but it has everything within itself. You don't even have to do anything. One time setup, all right, and just connectors. Just go and connect and give a permissions to Rocket.new for making it for Supabase. That's all. Like click, click, click. Once it's done, you can make unlimited products, every products in 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And if you want, you can give like a 10 minutes for optimizing SEO, everything. You can also, I don't know. I'm not selling it. I'll try it first. I will not suggest you to try this one. Let me do it first. I am out of token right now, so probably, I mean, it gives you basically 20 free tokens or credit, whatever you say. And I already burned almost 17 token, right? And in 17 product, I made a two product, right? These two products, and they're pretty awesome, being honest. So now you know how to make products. Rocket.new. You don't even need a cloud code. I think this specific AI is meant to do this work, so it's good at this. You know, you can also do cloud AI, right? But it's gonna consume you more time, more labor. So there is that, and now what I'm struggling with is marketing. Obviously, finding a customer. So I'm doing a research, and I'm gonna document everything that I know, and I'm struggling with. I'm gonna stream every day. Um, so that's the conclusion from last today. Obviously, this is a big scam. Not a scam, but if you have a money, it's all right, right? So, but you can get the same thing with this $25 that you're getting here. Being honest, and it doesn't do marketing. What it does is just make a product that we just do it here with the same price, $25, and takes like $3,000. But what they're saying is they will give you 10x guarantee or something, like a lot of fancy words to attract customer or something. I don't know what the app's written. This like 10x until you make, yeah, there you go, 10x your investment, blah blah blah. A lot of pitchy words, but I don't trust them. There you go. That's all. And um, the other thing I did is, uh, you. I mean, there is something that I make is ebook. You can also sell an ebook. I found it's pretty cool. You can make it like ebooks. You can suppose I made this ebook like a vibe coding. Vibe coding. Let me open the vibe coding one. There you go. Let me. Oh shit! Wait. Vibe coding, not P1. Just open the PDF one. So I made this one with the cloud code, and you can pretty much sell this on a few of the sites. I I found this two. One is, what's called that, pay hype. Yeah, there you go. Pay hype. So basically, you list. So there is like 15 views on this one, but nobody bought this one, right? So you can list the product and keep somebody interested. They will buy this for $5. So what do you need to do this for this one? For this one, you use a Cloud if you have. I don't know if there is a specific tool, and you just run a Cloud and just say like make me a ebook for something. The title you give, just keep it right. So it will create an ebook. Just put this here. This something, but but I'm already out of limit for the weekly limit. Never mind. So, but there is something I missed. You can use actually. It's better to use with a skills. Like there is a plugin. I don't know how to use a plugin. Wait, skills. I don't have any. Oh, there you go. So I have ebook skills I can use. Wait, how do I toggle? Oh yeah. So you can do is like ebook. Oh yeah, there you go. So I think you can do like cloud code. I'm not good at cloud code, still figuring out. So you can do like ebook publishing. So you use this skill and it will make. Let me cut it off because I don't want to burn my token. So I made first with that one, but the content was good, but the inside the content was not so much good. But after using that skills, it was good, you know. I'll just show you the other one. So the other one, I made this vibe coding PDF with the skills I just use, and it doesn't has these fancy backgrounds, but the content was is so much good. It's detailed, it's too much technical. That's what you need. It has all the diagram, and yeah, it's good. So it's always better to use the skills if you need the skills. What's the skills? It's called. I will probably show you. Don't worry. Um, it's called this one, the skills or something. If you wanna see, um, wait, what did the git log? So the author of this is Arthur, and wait, how do I dot git? No, no. Um, just give me a wait. Just give me wait. How do I see GitHub link of this one? Maybe that's to git clone. Oh, there you go. So this is the link if you want to invoke these skills. There you go. There is a step-by-step guide you can use to invoke the skills. There you go. This is something that I used myself, and you can pretty much I think he made this with the AI. This is just you can I can tell it because when you think that's plugin it your GitHub username, so it has to be this whole Arthur CO hyphen geo. This whole URL has to be on this one, this part. So he's just saying your GitHub username, and he doesn't put his this one. So probably this whole commit is done by an AI. Yeah, there you go. This is cloudy, so that means it's done by an AI. So yeah, but it's a pretty good tool if you want to use and make an I mean e-product like a PDF. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but just I'm trying. Just making a PDF and put it on a sale on Payhip, and I think there is also some other websites that you can do similar. Um, and yeah, I'm just trying to figure it out what's going. I mean, what will gonna work, what's not gonna work. I'm not gonna. I mean, for a few days, I'm not gonna go start with this Rocket new because I already have a finished product, this one. So I'll do some R&D, how to get customers, what it can be done to get the customers for the domain. I mean, this domain, this website to make money. And once I have money, I'll probably gonna try making other product. But I already have finished product. So what I'm having a gap is on marketing, on how to get the customers, how to you know. I don't think it's gonna. It's good to make an Google ad or Meta ad because I heard it's gonna burn a lot of money, and it's not good for a B2B. Let me ask. I mean, for this first video, we're gonna continue from what we left. So I'm not gonna use a cloud because I'm almost running out of the uses. So I'm gonna save it for something else. I'm gonna use Chat GPT, which is I borrowed from my friend. So it's not a pro, it's a go version, and also gonna open Gemini, which also have a pro version, but I think let me ignore the emails, please don't abuse it. And there you go, we have a pro model. This pro model is selected Gemini 3.1 Pro, and I'm gonna ask few things like I have a finished product. Let me see what works or what isn't, right. Um, the cooltm.com. I am struggling. I am struggling with getting customers on my page, or maybe marketing, how to do marketing, or get my customer for my uh yeah, product, the gold dm.com. So I'm gonna paste it, send it, right? And I'm gonna also paste it here. So the answer is fast, but always become skeptical about the answers, the judgment when it makes too quick decision, because it's not thinking much. But let's see, we'll compare. But on the other hand, I have a pro version, so it's taking some time, personal intelligence. So it's always good to pay for AI tools, but don't pay for every AI tools. The speaker right AI tools, right? So 2026 is that era that AI is going to take over. So if you don't adapt in early, you'll fall back, fall back, so but back behind. So don't be greedy to invest on AI subscriptions. I'll say maybe go with the cloudy for now. And if you want to build a rocket, not new, let me try it first. So if you want to try it, you can also try it. So, like I said, dog food, your own product. It's in the personal's LinkedIn DM. So it's saying that you use your own tool to get the customers, basically make a cold DMs and turn the security to into a core recipe. Biggest problem in setting an automated or outreach tool is the user fear of account bans. Well, I don't think it's an issue. Deploy a freemium lead magnet. Capture organic traffic by creating a free a micro tool on your site. For example, build a cold DM grader. What visitor can paste your current outreach script to get a quick AI generation score suggestion. This resolve immediate problem. This is something that I can build. It's like adding a smart feature, right? And so what he's saying is, suppose there is a lot of websites, like a background remover. It can remove the background, but if you want to edit on a background, you have to pay something. So my product is ready. So for and something, it's saying like something do like freemium, which is a free service. I already have a free AI model in background, so I have AI, so I can make something that AI does, maybe grade your reading or something. I can do it. So I'm gonna make a note. Let me do like the gold. This is something that I was taking from last. The gold. What's happening to my keyboard? Something wrong? Maybe go and rename. Oh, well, I'm not able to type it. Let me go and close it, and let me go back and make money online. I think I'm crashing out. I can see network speed and also memories. So I have to be careful. Maybe I was also lagging. So let me. Oh shit, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Let me check my stream real quick. I was also lagging. So let me. Oh shit, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Check my stream real quick. The stream is okay, but my system is cooked. It's a really old laptop. Being honest, I bought in 2020. I think it's time for me to upgrade. Let's see. Let's see. So what's happening here is I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is uh since VS Code is not working, terminal. Oh, there you go. Um, So it's working with, but hmm, okay. So let me do Codium. Oh, damn, so much of lag. I don't know it's because of my stream. Could be one of the reason. Uh, Maybe one of the reason is my stream. But seems my browser is working fine. So what I'm gonna do is terminal is crashing for some reason. I'm not able to type it. Yeah, and I'm spamming the keyboard. It's not working. So let me close it and let's try it again. Maybe do project, make money, not portfolio. Project. I don't. No, 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 no. Let's do and make money online challenge. Now it's again crash. So what I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do is always find a solution. I think there is called VS. Oh no, it's not even working here. Shit, it's working again. VS Code. There's called something called VS Code Dave. So what it does is um, you can open a folder and you can come to project and make money on a challenge. Let me copy and open. So I want to allow it. Yes, there you go. So we have it ready on our browser. Hopefully I'm not crashing. So yeah, there you go. So we gonna make um to do the txt. Yes. And on here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up this idea that we had here, deploy. So we have this idea ready here. So maybe do with the probably do with the empty file will be adequate for this one. Maybe do a hash for this one, and this seems to be good, but I think it will be inside a call snipping will make it good. You don't have to decorate it, just in the rough idea. So we have idea ready. Deploy a freedom premium lead magnet. So yeah, and what's next is let me pick up some idea. Build in public. Having just a year of experience in giving a highly valued document your S has blah blah blah. Serial technical development, tear down, blah blah blah. I don't think it's gonna work, but let's see. Ground your strategy. Okay, what about running a Google ad or a LinkedIn ad? So let's see how what it tells about running an ad. Whenever people search the index like the cold DM, it should keep my name on top, because since I recently made it, it's not giving my name anymore. I mean, not anything at least here. Um, so it's something called SEO or something that we have to see. The cold DM, is should keep your name on top or something, maybe anything. So let me what's called that? Let me do like site the cold DM like this. It's indexed in Google at least. So yeah. So let me go and see. Um, um, SaaS, Google, LinkedIn ads can be effective, but they serve different part of funnel, giving that your product is built especially for LinkedIn outreach. The choice depends on whether you want to target people based on their profile title or immediate blah blah LinkedIn ad. Precise targeting, high intent. Good like powerful because you are catching people exactly what they're looking. Solutions, keyword, how to personalize LinkedIn. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Uh, on dollar on ad, it's vital to apply rigorous analytical framework to your marketing spend. That's true. That's true. I don't have money to burn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a multiple um, product for now, and I'm gonna do like a cold DM. And if one product booms, I'm gonna run an ad on a few of these ones. So for now, it's just I don't know. So till now, I burned $20 on Cloudit and $5 on purchasing this the cool DM, which also included your email service and everything. So overall, I spent $25 to make the whole website, and let's see how much money it takes me. But for running ad, it's too much expensive, so I'm not gonna run an ad at least for now, unless I make my first move. So what should be my right move here? What exactly should I be doing right now? So I need something that help me on marketing, right? So the gap I'm having right now is marketing. So marketing is the biggest gap I'm having right now. No. So yeah, this is something that's really good. But the thing is, it's a freemium, blah blah blah. Um, it can be like an add-on, but if you look at my website, it's already have a free first 3 trials DMs and pretty much getting a free trial, right? So I don't know, it's gonna work or not, but let's see. Um, keep your credit in your wallet and pause any plan. Yeah, that's true. That's true. When you have a zero or very few, mm, if your landing page doesn't cover or user sign up, but true, true, true. The 100 prospect challenge, they want to three your product generate a cold DM. You need to prove yourself and your further customers that it works. Action, identify 100 highly targeted. Look for STR sales. Execute, run 100 profile to generate the highly personalized pitch. Do not sell the product immediately. Say something like, hey, I built a AI tool that analyzes profile and I'm looking for a 10 brutal beta testers to tear it down. Can I give you a free month in exchange offer? Okay. This is something. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is this is something, but um, eat your own dog. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give a free starter back to while doing cold DM and give an actual feedback. So I think this is a good start, right? Though what I'm saying is so it's costing me nothing, right? So if you look at the website, so if you go down, so look for the live, the first 100 founders only. The first 100 will get 50% off on the starter pack, and it's 100 DM per month. It's actually cool. So if you see, there is also other websites that does the same, but they are costing more. So it's a solid idea. All I need is a customer. So uh, it's already free, like 50%. So for the beta testers, that I need a customer, right? So I'm losing nothing. So I can give this starter pack for free. So what I'm gonna do is um just like this one, I'm gonna give this exactly this, um but Um, also also asks for email. They signed up with so that I can read this. Wait, this is free starter pack. I mean, but there is there is a problem. So why a user or a customer sign up on my profile, come back to DM and tell me that okay, I have a credit account. Can you upgrade my account? No. So what I'm gonna do is um uh what I'm gonna do is make invite URL that has free starter pack, which doesn't require any payment. So I can do it. I mean, so I'm gonna do is just a promotional generate a promotional link so that if you just paste it, um, you'll get a free pro. And yeah, let's go. So all right, let's do this. Yeah, I mean, just need a user and your feedback. So this could be done. What's the other AI is suggesting me? Enable technical authority. Market is saturated with the AI wrapper, and user can be terrified of getting their LinkedIn account banned. You have a distinct advantage by understanding system architecture. Okay, that's a good point. That's a good point. So what I need to do is, there's a lot of LinkedIn bots that doesn't make the LinkedIn account uh, banned. So I need to put it on here, like you just think basically like blah blah blah. So I need to say something. Okay, establish your own technical authority. So these are all marketing studies. Okay, so what I'm saying is don't it doesn't need your LinkedIn password or anything. No bots, nothing, purely safe, something like that. I mean, I will let AI decide. And it's makes a non-coder thing that it's okay, my account is safe at least. So step 3 is uh I have this one actually, and I don't know if it's really gonna work or not, but yeah, let's see. Founder in the community. Okay, so what in action prepare a launch product on in the hacker relevant subreddit. Okay, let's that can be done. So these are the steps that need to be done. And also what I was thinking, yeah, I first forget it. Right? So these are the things deploy your freedom. That is an add-on. It's not a priority right now. Eat your own dog. This is something that I need to do. First, most importantly, I need to generate an invite URL that has a free starter pack with doesn't require payment, right? So So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna implement these two, these two stuff. Um, yeah, let's go. So these two, I don't have, I don't know how much credit I have, but let me go to project, and I don't know. It's working now again. So let me go Cloud A with skipping execution prompts and everything, blah blah blah. Let me see if I have users. How many users? It's 96%. I don't know if I have enough um, token left to make these tasks done. But yeah, let's see. Um, so let me put everything in a single line. So first, let me do this. Make an invite URL that has a free starter pack that doesn't require a payment. So something like please specify something like it's like more like pipeline. Something like um I send this URL um when the um with pitching my product and trying, and when they access with that URL, it should show a starter pack for free. Zero, 0 rupees, no credit card required. Okay. Again, make something like this. Also, um, I just think two multiple things, right? Also, say say something like this, something like this on a starter page, start landing page, um, that make them feel secure to use this website. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna hit enter. So I don't know if I have enough token to do this one or I have to wait. So it's gonna burn a lot of tokens, a lot of things to be changed on a backend since it's especially generating something. So let's see. Let's see. So there is something that I can add $5 if it expires. But the next billing is on super long time. I mean Thursday, I guess. So today is a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's too much of I don't know. I'm leaking a lot of things, but hopefully you don't abuse it. There you go. 96% is done, but it resets on 7th. I mean Thursday. So you can buy an extra users if you want. Let me refresh. It's 97%. God, hopefully. Yeah, there is a lot of things. Design invite link, free starter pack, add an invite to table, and there is something that I have to do from Supa. Uh, that's all I'm gonna show you. If I was able to build this correctly, and if I have enough token to make this everything cool, it's gonna give me I think something like SQL queries that I have to log in a Supa and paste it in an entry. That's what you need to do on for a cloud code. But with the Rocket.new, you don't even have to do anything. You just give a prompt, everything will be done automatically. But for this one, uh, you have to do some of things manually. I guess 97% is done. Let me analyze. I think it's all 98. No, no, no. So, uh, let's see. And there's something you can build. I'm only focusing on one product because if I start to make money from one product, I will start to make other one because I have to do. I mean, the gap I'm having is again on a marketing, to get the customers and everything. Let me ask you the seminar. Um, the gap I'm having is on marketing. Is there any website that I can sell my AI product, including SaaS? Is SaaS is basically the product that I just built, or any other AI product. Let's see if there is some website that we don't know. You give me a result super fast. Um, to get your first 100, there's this tool AppSumo. Let me see. It's recommended like few tools. AppSumo. Let me go here. What it does is get your software for your business instantly low price. Um, Mario, blah blah blah. 60 plus M model generate images, 50 plus. It's like a marketplace, but I don't know if it's. Let me research. I mean, it could be a good alternative for you also if it's really legit, right? 60-day money back guarantee, high quality deals, 4 years of software deals. So there is a marketplace. It's marketplace and sales. And let me close this one. And let me do one thing. Is there an extension that hide sensitive information of my like email while I'm streaming? Why I'm showing on streaming? I don't know. Yes, there is a conversation. Nice, easy, blah blah blah. Okay, let me edit safe bar because a lot of issues made extensions. And there you go, safe bar. I think this is the one. Mm, so just imagine if I click on I don't know. I think it's written like Chrome. There you go. Extensions. So cursor, YouTube live stream. I don't need it. Where is safe bar? There you go. So it's this one, right? Let me go to details and access to, I don't know which permission should I enable. So I'm supposed to get, I don't know. Let's try with none of these. And if I just click on this one, it's not obfuscating my email. Come on, work. I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, back to the point. So we were exploring about AppSumo. So a lot of products. Let me go to the customer view. What's going on here? Uh, two product from Skippy. Site Guru. So run SEO audit, track ranking, optimize your website. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's you can do it for free. I mean, why they are selling? I mean, yeah, that's a business, all right. But how we aid our own tool here? Okay, this could be option. Let's see. Um, stock social similar to AppSumo. It focuses on tech and productivity tools. It collect the software that helps people to work. Okay. Page count are great alternative for AppSumo that focus heavily on helping founders with their marketing. Okay, let me try to gain an organic traffic AI dictionary. There is an AI for that. Let me try this one. It sounds cool. Let me research everything so that you don't have to next time. Oh shit, it's 99%. I'm scared. Oh, it's done. Wait. I told you, right? So I need to run this line to a supercode. That's what you have to do with these ones. But um with a robot or something, you don't rocket.new, don't have to do anything. But now since I know it, I learned it over the time. So let me go to new tab and just put it and run. Failed invite code doesn't exist. Isn't trying an error. So I think before this I have to summary works on local. I paste. Okay, there is something. That's what I'm telling you. You have to do some of the things manually in this one. Suppose this. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let me open with the mouse pad real quick. Mouse pad. It's like a code editor. You don't freak out with just seeing a lot of codes. You can just open with a window and a notepad. It's just a text. So there you go. We have this whole. It's gonna create a whole database for us. Yes, let me run it. Flying potentially has detected. Query has destructive operations. Make sure. Ah, shit. It's saying a destructive. I trust it. I trust it. Yeah, right. Success. All right. So it's a success. So I think we have created a promotional schema and let me I mean you let me add one more. Let me add one more. Let me see if it's written. Yeah, there you go. So now we have everything ready. Invite. So does it push? Yeah, it does push. So if we see on it's for let me copy this and um let me see what's going on. I can just paste it, but I just don't want to burn my last 1% of the token. So before that, I just want to figure out what's going on with this one. And I can just give it um hello. All right. Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. So I'm gonna ask it, never mind. So I'm gonna ask it on um the code tm.com/ I slash um launch 50. So this. So we just wait what it hashes in. The database has been created, and let me see. Let me refresh it actually, or maybe I can just go to Vercel if it's deployed successfully or not. So this is my code M, and let me. Last created was in second, so now I know the cause. The deployment is not done on a site. So last deployment was on today. So probably it's gonna do is did you deploy? Okay, just say deploy. Let's deploy it because it wasn't deployed. Um, maybe it did. I don't know. There's no git commit or something, so I think it's not deployed. This is the current version that I built 2 days ago, and it's supposed to pick some new build that it's not picking up. I don't want to burn. I think what I did wrong was I gave um, I gave access to my super uh, existing project to the rocket, not new, not the rocket. I think the bolt is new. Well, I was trying different AI tools. Hopefully everything is right. Let's see. I don't want to lose this project. Post Vercel will deploy. Watch it. Okay, let me go to deployment. Oh yeah, let's go. So it just now it's on queue. So once it get deployed, we'll have this promotional link ready. For now, it's not deployed. So let's wait for a few minutes and, and see if it's work. So and also we're gonna check the second issue that we had to do is this one. Establish your technical authority and what thing we did? Yeah, this one, these two, these two will be done. Let's see. It's a building, so let's wait for a few minutes. There you go. It's ready. So there you go. So once you start at 25, you restart the feedback 25 personalized, 25 personal DM on the house. Done. So technically, it's not supposed to regulate that. It's supposed to ask for um, email. So what I'm gonna do is let me open an incognito mode if I have. Yeah, but I don't have an email. I think it will work. Uh, I'm gonna ask my friend to see if it works, and I'm gonna send this to the cool DM. That's just try 25 personalized DM. Um, so yeah. Mm. Yeah, that's actually good. I didn't even instructed it. I mean the quality to 25 personalized DM only of a starter pack. He's being on. I mean smart. If you just look at my starter pack, it's actually 100 DMs for a starter pack. But just since it's a promotional, so it just kept like a 50. 50 is it right? 50 25 25. Yeah, it's good. But if you try for free, it's only 3. So yeah, it's a really good thing that Claude did without even needing any feedback or some other suggestions. And and the other thing I need to do is see LinkedIn safe copy paste no automations. That's good. This was needed. I was not there before. If you look, this is already refreshed one, I guess. Yeah. So now it's saying 3 DMs, no credit card needed, 50% for the first founder, LinkedIn, and seems good. Blah blah blah. No, I think it's a ready to save product. So what I'm gonna do is okay. Last thing, where is Gemini? There is something that I was doing research. Right, this is another research. Let me put it on my to do. This to is done. I can erase it, and let me do like I was damn. I forget what I was to do. Uh, oh yeah. What LinkedIn filters should I use to get my potential buyer for my cold DM? Okay, that's something I need to ask ChatGPT because what? How do I found like CEO or something, right? And also let me finish this few marketing tool, and there is this. Oh yeah, there you go. The number one AI for that. There is a number one AI for that. Oh. Many tools, companies, stocks, companies. Which companies? I'm gonna put it to. Damn, I'm gonna put it to link. It's actually a good link. Um. So let me see what it does. Uh. There's also options you wanna buy for something something. So let's try AI product. It's engaged this 2026 Mars and AI product photos. It's only for the photo, but we don't need for a photo. We need for every finished product. Let me see. Um, can I see how it works or copy? This is a copy is about. Let me see. Oh, super base. I don't need it right now. I just hmm. Get a deal. I don't want to show this pricing. Okay, how it works is just take a photo of the two. Okay, this is like a branding stuff which I don't need. But for other people, we can utilize this one. And here, give me a sec. All right. Yeah, they let me explore some of the few tools that we um need, like marketing. And let's go back to let me put it I don't know, to drop and track it. So I paste it here. Find the best tool and software. Join for free. We have SSO. Uh, Let me go with a temporary emails. I mean Gmails. Let me give and continue. There you go. And browse tools. So yeah, productivity AI tools. And I'm not interested. Popular tool is ChatGPT, Cloud, Midjourney, Perplexity. Yeah. Um, it's for analytical stuff, I guess. Windsurf. What's this? Oh, that's I'm using Codium right now. Codium is advanced AI power editor designed for transforming good development. Right? That's already a lot of things I'm doing right now. So what I need is something like that is specialized in marketing and that stuff. Um, what's this? Wait. The Codium. auto, hi. Business descriptions probably gonna come here. Uh, Copy this, paste it. That's what it does. Uh, it's for a business name. Hot mapped text drift. Mm, I don't know. Could be good for some people. But where is this source option? And I'm doing like marketing. There's a lot of premium, freemium. Let's see, premium, free trial, and free. Marketing block. Only see content delivery efficiency in one platform. Let me visit this one. You know what? You can use this tool, marketing place. You can put our tool within itself, this one. And also, I guess we can add our tool within this one. Uh, okay, let me move on to um this one, and let's see if it's really work. No, no, no. I think it's a date one to sell the entire business. Oh, wait, that could be a good idea. I mean, just build idea and just sell it. Oh, damn. You can sell business. So I can just sell business here. Good response. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep this thread again, and we'll be coming back and explore for marketing studies. Marketing strategy, and we're gonna explore because what we can do is if it's legit. I mean this one. Where is this one? I mean the one that we can sell. So what you can do is on acquire.com. So it's saying even if you have $0 in revenue, we can this list pre-set up. You buyer often look for the well-built product where the technical work is finished, and they can just take over the market. There is also a lot of things. So probably gonna take one. I mean, it's all about finding a good right place to do marketing, right? If we can just make a lot of products with free, you just need a 2-3 hours and just put in auctions that on acquire.com you can make a free money, right? So this could be one of the options, right? So we're gonna come back and we're gonna end this stream right away because I don't. How long is the stream? Probably. Um, I know there is 0 viewers. Doesn't matter. It's just from me documenting myself, making a money in future, right? That's where I started. It's almost like 1.5 hours. So that's all. So we're gonna meet on I don't know today again or tomorrow. Hope you have a nice day, and hope I will able to make a profitable business with AI 2026. See ya. Take care. Bye.